Today I am going to talk about our 8th lesson, the nature of the earth. The earth looks more beautiful because there are mountains, rivers, oceans, flowers and forests on it. Next, we have to talk about the structure of the earth. The earth we live in on its third planet from the sun in the solar system. When we compare other planets of solar system, the earth looks more beautiful. Today I am going to make a structure of the earth. You will need a cross section of hard-boiled egg. Let's observe the inner part of the earth can be divided into 3 layers. Eggshell. Eggshell is the crust. And the egg white is the mantle and egg yolk is the core. Let's talk about the inner parts of the earth. The inner part of the earth can be divided into 3 layers as core, mantle and crust. Core is in 1100 kilometers, mantle is 2400 kilometers, crust is 2900 kilometers. Of 3-dimensional replica of internal structure of the earth. You will need plain 3 size and a sharp knife. I use thread for do that easy way. I made glove. Let's cut using the thread. Then I cut the earth into 2 parts. Let's identify main 3 parts of the earth. Then you will observe in green color it is crust, and in orange color it is mantle, and red color it is core. Let's talk about tectonic plates and plate tectonics. Then you can see the tectonic plates. The Sri Lankans belong to Australian Indian tectonic plates. The surface layer of the earth is crust. The crust is divided into sections is called tectonic plates. These tectonic plates move relative to each other. Let's talk about the ways of moving tectonic plates. There are 3 main ways of moving tectonic plates. Moving of tectonic plates apart, one plate moving upward by pressing down other. The third way is sliding on 2 plates past each other. Earthquake could occur this instance. Let's talk about how occur the earthquakes. What is earthquake? The natural vibration of the ground or earth crust produced by forces called earthquake or seismic force. Then you can see road disruption, building disruption and the houses disruption pictures of occurred earthquake. Summary of this lesson. The inner part of earth consists 3 parts as core, mantle and crust. Crust is very thin layer. Mantle upper part is solid rocks and lower part is molten rocks. Core temperature between 4400 Celsius to 5000 Celsius. Tectonic plates consist volcanoes. Earthquakes occur near them.